Okay, do you have Straight Talk? Your phone through Straight Talk? Because they offer Straight Talk rewards now, where you get points and you can get stuff with your points. So here's stuff that you can do to get even more points. Nice. Okay. I'm gonna try the scratch and win, see what it does. Alright. Alright, we'll see. Aw. Of course, I never have any good luck. This is what you can redeem your points for. Walmart gift card, mobile hotspot, some more, free service plan, more high-speed data, global calling card, phone promo codes. This is awesome. So you can get Walmart gift card, from $10 up to $50. Oh, it's really cool. I just had to show you guys because I've never seen this before. And I already have 258 points. Not for sure if it'll show me how many points you need for. Oh, okay. It is showing me some. It's not bad. I didn't see what you needed for the Walmart card. Oh, that's not bad. For the $35 unlimited, you just need 4,000 points. Okay, I didn't see what it said about the Walmart card, how many points you needed. But there you go. There's some of the stuff that they're offering now. All you have to do is log into your Straight Talk account, and it gives you points. You can even do surveys and stuff to get extra points. Alright, well, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.